Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max or the latest version of iOS. If you want to use Siri on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to enable your phone settings. In settings, just go for Apple Intelligence and Siri, select it, and here you have to make sure that this setting has been turned on. And after doing this, just select talk and type to Siri, select it, and here you have to set Siri or Hey Siri, or there the other option is Hey Siri. You can see that this setting has been off. You just have to select one of them. I'm going to select the first one, then tap on enable Siri, and after that you have to get the setup of Siri. Just tap on continue, and here you can see that Siri has been enabled. You just have to make a short setup of Siri, and after that the Siri will be activated. So that's how you can activate Siri on iPhone 15, 15 Pro, or the latest version of iOS. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.